Hey everyone, friends, we were on a call. Today I'll show you how to download and install shaders for Minecraft Bedrock 1.20 and higher versions. Yeah. On all platforms, it's basically done the same way. Type in shaders for Minecraft Bedrock. You can keep Minecraft open whether on Android, iOS, or consoles. Yeah. So we go to the first site, let's say CurseForge. I'm choosing Prism Visuals Legacy. Yeah, the very first shader. Click download. Wait 5 seconds. And then we download this file, which we simply open on both Android and iOS. There. And then right away in Minecraft, go to Settings, go to Resources. Here are my resources. And here you can enable them by clicking the Activate button. That's it. This was Ever. See you all later.